Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital banking to make your financial life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send an ACH payment with Chime in 2025. If you're new here, ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, which is a secure way to transfer money electronically in the US. Think of it as a digital check that hits your account fast and reliably. With Chime's user-friendly app, sending an ACH payment is simpler than ever, especially with the 2025 updates that make it even more seamless. First things first, make sure you have the Chime app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it for free. It's a game changer for modern banking. Once you're all set up, open the app and log in with your credentials. You'll land on your dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your balance and recent transactions. Now, let's get to the fun part. Sending that ACH payment. Tap on the Move Money tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, select ACH Transfer, or External Transfer. Chime might have renamed it in 2025 for better clarity, but look for the option that lets you link external accounts. Enter the recipient's bank details, like their routing and account numbers, which you can get from them directly. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Next, input the amount you want to send and add a memo if needed. It helps with tracking. Chime will show you any potential fees up front, so you won't be surprised. In 2025, expect faster processing times, often within 1 to 2 business days. Hit Confirm and authorize the transfer with your PIN or biometric security for that extra layer of protection. Before you hit send, here's a quick tip. Always verify the recipient's info to prevent scams, and keep an eye on your transaction history in the app. ACH payments are super secure, but staying vigilant is key. And just like that, you've mastered sending an ACH payment with Chime. It's a fantastic tool for splitting bills, paying freelancers, or handling everyday transfers. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.